Okay, hey everyone. A very good morning to you all. I think it should be good morning, right? Okay, so I'm here on vacation. It's my birthday on 21st March. That's the reason I couldn't take the week 40th free online phonics class. Okay, so without any delay, because my family is waiting for me, I've sent them to the pool and I thought, let me quickly record the video and then join them. Okay, so I hope you've received my uh, poster. So my team has already posted it on my social media handles. These are the templates that we need. And today we are going to learn 3 sounds. Okay, I mean, like, they all make the same sound though, but then it is written in a different way. Okay, so it's IR, E and makes the sound. U and R, and that makes the sound. E and R, and makes the sound. So odd teaching without my students. I miss them so much. All right. So now I'm going to share the screen as well. So what are we going to do? We are going to first read the word and later take the template and write the words on this. Okay, you can take a break. If you think I'm going a little bit fast, you can pause the video. Okay, that's the deal, right? Miss Ayesha won't be taking breaks, no icebreaker here, nothing. So you will have to take your own break. If you're thinking that, oh, is that a lot of information, a lot of words for me, then take a break and then you move on. All right, so let me share the screen. I miss you guys. Okay, got it. There it is. All right, let me take the laser pointer. It's week 40, free online phonics class. 10 more to go for week 50. So let's learn the first sound. Okay, it's I and R makes the sound. All the words over here have I and R in it, and it makes the sound. All right. So when you see these 2 letters together, remember it makes the sound So let's try reading this one. B, d, b, d, bird. What's the word? It is bird. Now quickly write it down on your template. Come on. I might be a bit fast today. I wrote it down. Bird. Bird. Okay, let's look at the next word. If you haven't finished, pause the video. Next one. First. First. Yes. First. Write it down quickly. I'm done. I'm sorry for the sound. It's the sea waves. It's right outside. I'll show you the sea as well. It's right here. It looks so pretty. Oh God, I love Fujairah. I'm here in Fujairah right now. So in case any one of you are staying in Fujairah, let me know. Okay, ping me on Instagram. Oh, my family is already back. Dirt. Oh no, there he is. Just a second. Okay. Dirt. 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 Let's write it down. Dirt. Oh my God, I guess my kids are coming back home. Dirt. All right. Have you written the word? Dirt. Remember, when you write the word, you need to say it. Dirt. Dirt. That's how you're going to decode the sounds and write. All right. Oh, they're back. Just give me a second. I'm going to be back soon. Okay, I'm back. I'm sorry. Let me share the screen one more time. I think I need to be a bit quick before they come back again. Okay, the next one. CH makes the sound ch, ch, chirp, chirp, chirp. Come on, let's write it down. The bird chirping, chirp, chirp. The bird chirps, chirp. I'm done, and I'm going to show you how my template looks like in a while. Okay, let's look at the next one. Erst, first, first. Write it down. Where's the space? Okay, I got it. First. Done. Oh, we wrote it already. Oh God, Miss Ayesha, it's in a staycation mode. I'm sorry. I wrote the word twice. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, so that is it. Show me your template. Oh, I can't see them, but you can see mine. I wrote the word first 2 times. Oh, this is how it should look like. Okay. So this is the bird template. Sound in the bird word. Okay. So keep this next to you. Take a picture like this. It will look nice. Okay. So let's look at the next one. Okay. The trick is mostly comes in the middle of the word. Okay. If you see most of the words over here, is in the middle. Okay. So mostly it's not only for this IR, it's for all ER and UR as well. This sounds come in the middle of the word. Sometimes you will also see this coming at the end of the word. Okay, like flower at the end again. So for this you will see it at the end. Cool. Okay, so let me share the screen one more time. Okay, it's so we are going to take a flower template. Flower. Yes, at the end. So let me quickly share the screen. Oh, it is being shared. Okay, cheeky Miss Ayesha. Let's read it out. Earn, fern, fern. Can you all write it down faster? Or am I the one who's going to write it faster? Fern. Okay, I'm going to read the next word now. If you haven't finished, remember, pause the video. Next one. Otter, 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 otter. Let's write it down. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, ready, steady, go. I'm done. If you're not done, you can pause the video. Next one. Heard, 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 heard. Let's jot it down quickly. Heard. I hope I am recording this. Yeah, I am. I got scared. I thought I'm not recording. Oh my gosh. Let me share the screen one more time and write the word heard. 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 I'm done. How about you? Are you done too? I hope so. Okay. If you're not done, we can wait. Can I wait? No. You can't wait. Miss Ayesha has to run to the pool. Let's read the next word. Letter. 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 Yeah. It's a letter. I'm done. How about you? Are you done too? Who was that talking? It's not me. Definitely not me. Who could that be? Is it Melissa? Oh, looks like it is Melissa. But she's sleeping on the bed. I'll get her later. Letter. Next one. S, I, s, t, er. S, I, s. Break it, okay? If it's too long for you. S, I, s, sis, t, er, ter, sister, sister. Can you write it down? Sister. I'm done. Okay, I'm going to stop sharing the screen now. I'm going to show you what exactly Miss Ayesha has written. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Hold on. This is how it should look like. Cool. Okay, the next one, the turtle. U-R makes the sound. Turtle. Okay, can I quickly share the screen? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Got it. I don't know why my voice feels like Melissa. Do you think it's like it resembles Melissa's voice? I'm sure it's not Melissa's voice. But I can see that. Oh, no, I cannot see my voice. I can, what, smell? No, hear it. I can hear it's Melissa's voice. Is it still like Melissa? Oh God, I can't make it out. Let's read the sound words. T, t, l. Whenever there is an E at the end, we don't usually blend it, okay? T, t, l. Turtle, 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 turtle. Let's write it down. Turtle. Oh, I'm getting messages that it's too cold and they want to come inside. I have to finish it faster. All right, let's do it quickly. Turtle. Next one. Burn. 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 Let's write down. Burn. Next one. Pause the video, okay? I just got a message that's cold. My kids need to come inside because they were in the pool and they're all wet and they're freezing. Okay, so turn, 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 turn. Turn. All right, let's look at the next one. Turnip, 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 turnip. I guess that's my husband. He's waiting. Turnip. Let's write it down. Turnip. He's like, Ayesha, open the door. I'm freezing. Next one. I don't have space. If you don't have space, it's fine. Just write it on the legs. Next one. Nurse. 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 Write it down. Nurse. Okay. That's it. Khalas. How about we challenge them then? Curb. Curb. Why don't you write that word for me? Come on, everybody. Curb. Curb. Okay. I'm done. Curb. See, this is the challenge one. Curb. Okay. Now, this is how it should look like. So we are done with the 3 templates. We are done with the you are We are done with ER, and we are also done with IR. Okie dokie. So this video is out and I want you all to complete and share your pictures, okay, on my social media handle. Remember, you need certificate, isn't it? So do it quickly. Okay, I promised you all. Melissa, I think she's still sleeping, but I can show you all the beach. Let's see the beach. There it is. Oh, I don't think you can see that, can you? It's too bright, yeah? Oh, no. Oh, yes, yes, that's the beach. Okay. Saw that? Nice, isn't it? I'm missing it. It's already cold. I can't go as well. Nevertheless, tomorrow I can. Yes, I'm glad I made the video. Mwah! I'm missing my kids. And please share the picture so that can make me happy. Bye-bye. See ya.